There's our Vin. Big heron just up there. Dog seems to have disturbed it. Come on. Mabel, come on then. So these all would have been grazing fields at one time, and before that, of course, it would have been virgin forest before they were cleared. They've just put everything up there now. Heron's gone. Don't feel too bad about putting a bit of pressure on the birds. They don't have a lot of predatory pressure at all, the birds. They'll just go off for a few minutes and they'll be back again. It's always good for predator and prey to move each other on into different feeding spots. This is what a dog like Mabel needs. Vinny could do with it as well, but as I say now, I have to be a bit more careful with Vinny, having been a competitive racing greyhound. And he doesn't seem too bothered, he doesn't seem that interested really in birds.